Hello, I'm April. Let me show you the project I'm currently working on as I continue on my quest to make my house super magical. This is my first attempt to ever make a video where I talk, so I hope you like it. This little motor going back and forth may not look like much, but there's a lot going on here. Let's dig into it for a minute. What you're seeing is the starting phase of me trying to make a solar-powered automatic window shade that I can program to go up and down on its own. My goal is to wire it into my home automation system so that it happens without me having to think about it. Or I can always ask She That Must Not Be Named to do it for me. Let's take a look at the parts. This solar cell here charges the battery. That's the blue cylinder on my desk. There's a little microchip here in the middle that knows how to take the power from the solar cell and charge a battery with it. I got it at Adafruit. The battery is what's running the motor. The only thing my bench power supply is doing is powering the microcontroller because I forgot to order a part that boosts the voltage on the battery up to 5 volts that the microcontroller requires. Whoops! Don't worry, I've already ordered it and it'll be here this week. Once I get that last part in, I hope to run everything off the battery and not need my bench power supply at all. Right now, I'm running a test. I have another microcontroller that's looking at the voltage left on the battery so that I can see what kind of battery life I can expect on a charge. I could have only one microcontroller doing all of this, and I will when I finally build it, but I decided to use 2 right now so I can collect data while I work on the programming for the motor itself. The data I'm getting right now isn't super great because the motor isn't under any load, but it's really neat to see all the pieces finally go. You can see on this graph that the voltage of the battery is slowly going down. That's good because that's what I want to see. I'm not sure I have a big enough battery, so I'm going to do some tests to see where I am. I think this battery should run the microcontroller alone for about a day if my math is right, which really isn't enough since I need the motor to run too sometimes. Running the motor is kind of the whole point of this. Once I get all the software pieces done, I'll turn my attention to building the rigging needed to control the window shade. I can't do that right now because my 3D printer is broken. I'm waiting on parts to arrive from China so that I can fix it. I'll keep posting as I work on this project. I can't wait to see it all done. If it works well, I'll make one for every window in my house and I'll share all of my code on GitHub. It's my dream to help inspire other people to make their lives a little more magical too. Thanks for watching.